So the summer camp is it's a very cool thing that we get to do where I have a chance to spend some time with younger people and influence them, you know, kind of guide them towards the automotive industry, allow them to take a sample of what it's like and see if they enjoy it or see if they like it. It's pretty neat to see the reactions of the young students and how they, you know, take an interest in things. It's kind of an all-encompassing experience, and they kind of take a small bite out of each of the facets of the automotive industry.
Last year in Wake Tech's Automotive Summer Camp, we learned how to do oil changes, change tires, engines, electrical hybrids, EVs, and airbrushing.
I think what they get out of it is an experience to try something new, a fun field trip, but more importantly, it could plant a seed that ends up becoming like their career. More and more every day, automotive technicians are becoming more valuable. Their stock is rising rapidly, so it's a good choice to invest yourself in this career as the future looks bright.